It's kind of a light piece of paper day. Sometimes I've got like 5 pieces of paper for the morning show. Today, it's like 1.5. What's up? I'm Percy. This is Mercy. Mercy is...
Mercy!
Yeah?
Say what you're doing!
Feeding the...
Pony
named Cooper.
And Cooper, and she's a chicken.
No.
Welcome to the brand new, critically acclaimed, internationally lauded morning show called The where every day we upload a short little video that's hopefully something interesting, motivating, educating, and distracting.
You got the hit new morning show called, and I could do half.
What?
Called the.
What do I say? Don't I already say call the? We went.
Happening to the half show.
I don't know. A couple weeks ago we went through this where we didn't even know what we said anymore. It was like we had amnesia about the name of the show. Called, and then do you want to do the, or do you want me to do the? These days I'm doing the. By now, everyone who's new here has left. They have no idea what the name of the show is.
No morning show called, and then I'll do that.
And you're gonna start doing the part. Stay tuned tomorrow, folks, for the name of the show. The story of the day. Dude, this is insane. We discovered water on the moon. There's water on the moon. There's water on the moon.
Weren't we gonna discover it sooner or later?
Well, you'd think so, but dude, we've been studying the moon for years through telescopes. We even went to the moon. We sent missions to the moon back in the 60s. Alexa, when did we travel to the moon?
It takes around 3 days for a spacecraft to travel to the moon.
No. Hey Siri, 1969 was the first mission to moon. We haven't been back. Like, we don't go to the moon anymore. Through all those missions, we have decided there was no water on the moon.
Gone a little while ago, remember?
What we were paying attention to a little while ago was the space station.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, bottom dog.
That's just in outer space around the Earth. Is that where SpaceX launched the people into space? Elon wants to go to the moon. They're gonna go to the moon soon. We're not there yet though. They use a special infrared camera that can discern between water-specific wavelength of 6.1 microns and its close chemical relative hydroxyl, or OH. Oxygen, hydrogen. We gave up searching for water on the moon. We didn't think there was any water on the moon. Russian cosmonauts had taken a sample and they thought they detected water in moon rock, like in 1978, but that paper was like ignored for some reason. I don't know why. But now today we have finally we've decided there might, again, possibly be water on the moon.
And now more people actually think there's water on the moon.
I have no idea how many people think there's water on the moon. The reason I bring this up is because if you look at, this is how things go sometimes. Like, you think you know something, and everybody makes all these assumptions. We've been making assumptions since we looked at the moon in a telescope many years ago to the moon missions that somehow decided, you know what, there's no water on the moon. We didn't see any lakes on the moon, and then we didn't see any water on the moon when we were there, so it's like, there's probably no water on the moon. And that's been years of making those assumptions. Someone finally looked again, bothered to look at something we've made assumptions about for so long, and look what we find. There's water on the moon. This isn't just trivia. Finding water on the moon could be really important because water means we could use that water for astronauts if they were living on the moon, and water could be used in making things like fuel. So if we had a base on the moon and there was water there, we could use that water to actually make fuel to send them to other places like Mars. So it's a really important discovery, but it's something we've assumed didn't exist for many years. That's like a lot of things, man. You're gonna get older and you're gonna start finding why did we just decide that this is the way it is and it's been the way it is for many years? You have to somehow break through that everybody's making all these assumptions and decide, you know what, I'm gonna look at it for myself. I'm gonna try again. Even though we think we've looked at it before, time and time again, I'm gonna look at it, I'm gonna try to look at it a little differently and see if there's anything different there. Today, is also Animation Day. Day to celebrate animation. Pixar's like this great example. We were doing animation the same for years and years and years, and Pixar decided, you know what? We're gonna start doing something new in each of our movies. We're gonna push the boundary of what animation can do. We're gonna see if we could show realistic hair. We're gonna see if we could do realistic water. And each of those things makes it into the movies. Like with Monsters, Inc., it was all about the hair. In Moana, it was all about like the flow of the water. Can we make that more realistic? It takes someone to be like, can we do something new finally with something we've been doing the same way for so long? You know what it's time for?
The joke of the day. But it's also known as the Pony Cooper Dog Percolator, except she's really a pony.
Right.
Okay, let's dance. First!
How does the moon cut his hair?
Eclipse it.
Oh, you terrible.
That joke was posted on Reddit by Koyukasen_NP. Thank you so much, everybody,
If
for
you're
giving
new
our
here-
channel a chance.
If you're new here, the name of our channel is The Half Calf Shows.
They've already left. Please subscribe. Please hit the bell. Hit those like buttons, and we will see you tomorrow.
Oh, and if you're... Popcorn and spit happens. Hooray!
The experiment today is to see if regular corn works like popcorn. What is popcorn, really, is what we're trying to figure out. Here's some loose corn. I don't think either of us think this is gonna work. All right, pop that corn, bro. The lights are broken in the microwave, so we can't see anything. You can hear a lot of little explosions in there. Ooh.
Okay, so that's
It's definitely burning a little bit.
burnt corn, but like popped open.
Actually, tastes pretty good.
You sure you should be eating that?
No.